Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Journey. In this video, we are going to build your own chatbot. For this, I am going to use Colab notebook. Go to your Colab and open a new notebook. Then write this code there. Here we are going to use Langsmith and OpenAI. So that we need these API keys and configurations. First going to see how to get Langsmith configuration. Search on the search bar Langsmith and click on this. And then you will be direct to Langsmith. Then I am going to sign up for it. You can use any option to create an account. I will go with continue with Google. Then you will be direct to onboarding. Click on get started here. Here the configuration need for your chatbot. You can give project name and it's going to replace as Langsmith project. Then you can click on generate API key. It's going to generate API key and replace in the configuration API key as well. Now we will get OpenAI key. Search on the search bar OpenAI API. Then click on first result. Then here you need to create an account. You can create with any option. I'm go with Google. And it's direct to OpenAI platform. You can see here get your API keys to click on start building. Here you need to give sample organization name and who you are. Then click on create organization. You can invite others too. For now, I'm going to skip that part. Now, you have OpenAI key too. Let's go to our code. First thing is installing dependencies. I have installed here LangChain community, LangChain core, LangChain OpenAI and put --quad for avoid installing others. Then you need to set up your API keys with OpenAI key and LangChain API key. After that, we will going to import required libraries. These are the libraries required for the code, chat OpenAI to interact with the OpenAI models, and imported the human message and system message for define user and system instruction for the chatbot, and OS for the manage environment variable, and markdown display used for displaying formatted output. Next part is configuring environment variable. Here LangChain tracing enables true monitoring chatbot interaction and specify the LangChain project name as chatbot and set the LangChain API endpoint for login interaction. And finally, this is our simple chatbot function. And it's create chatbot function. Uses chat OpenAI with GPT-4 or mini model. And here defines the behavior using the system message. Like this, I have put my one. You can put your own one like this. And it's take user input via human message and call to the model. And finally, it will generate responses. Let's run the code now. You can paste your question here. I'm going to paste comparison between Playwright and Cypress. Then run this code. And you can see your output here. This is my output. That's all for this tutorial. And if you have any question and suggestion, you can share with us and you can try with this. Let's see you in the next video.